to my channel. Today I want to do a happy planner cover DIY so that you guys can learn how to make your own happy planner cover. If you want to switch it on out season to season, switch it on out just in general, this is just a little idea on how you can make it more customized to your own likes. So guys, not to say that I didn't like the original cover that my happy planner came with. Of course I did, but I thought it would be fun to try and remake my own out of beautiful pattern paper and ephemera that I enjoy. And I want to show you how I did this so that you guys can do this yourself. So this is the cover, guys. It says find your happy. It has these pretty gold discs here, but they're kind of tiny. So that's why I'm going to be reusing this cover as an insert inside and use the discs I already have on hand. And I want to just give you a quick look inside, guys, because I really did like this layout. The main difference is this page right here, guys. They call this the dashboard layout, and it has, at each week, it will have this beginning part, errands, to buy, calls, emails, bills to pay, and then things you want to focus on. And that you could see, it's on every page. And then your weekly planner is right over here. So I really like this dashboard layout. This is something very new to me. So it is very pretty, but I'm going to be reusing the front and back cover for inserts. These make really good page dividers, and they're already laminated for you, and they're already pretty because you've decided to pick out this type of happy planner. So I save them and I reuse them. I've been saving these papers for quite a while, so I thought this would make a front cover real fun for 2021, hoping for a better year. And these discs will go great, and I'm going to double-side it with this beautiful paper as well. And I'll probably put something fun on the center, and then I'm going to laminate it. I've cut my sheets to size now, and they're going to be backed this way, so that this is the front cover and this is the inside of the front cover, and the same with the back. So I'm going to end up gluing those together. This is how my front and my back cover have turned out after laminating it, and now it's time to punch the holes. And this is where it got very tricky for me, but I figured it out, and I'm going to show you guys how I figured out where my holes will go. The challenge that I ran into is that this is clearly bigger than a regular sheet from your happy planner, because the cover is always bigger to accommodate all the pages. So therefore, trying to figure out where the holes went was hard, because when you stick it in here, all the measurements are going to be off from the usual ones because of that extra clear border. So what I decided to share with you is how I finally figured it out, and this took me a little bit of time, guys. So I want to show you the regular punch would be you line it up over here on the 3, the 15, the 28, and the 40. And for some reason, I don't really know the difference, but it tells you to alternate pink, gold, pink, gold. So this would be generally how you would make your sheets if you wanted to make extras. And then you would take out your number 40, and then you would just simply flip it around and punch your other 3, because I could only fit so many on this mini punch. But it's always worked fine. And this way, you really can make another page very simply, and it fits right in. So if you want to make extra note pages or address pages or tab dividers, it's very simple with the measurements I just told you, and I'll put them all in the description box to make another page. So these usual measurements, they just do not work for making the cover. So I figured this out one by one. What I did was I traced out my cover onto a scrap. So this scrap will match up perfect to what my cover is, because I'm not a robot and my cover might not be exactly the same as the happy planner one. So what I did was I made my template of my faux cover before punching it on my real one, and I took this and I lined it up. So I've lined my cover up like this, and I clipped it in place so it doesn't shift, and I simply just draw where the little punches should go to space it all out evenly on my template. And so what I did was one by one, I kind of like lined them each up with where they would belong. And this took a bit of time, guys, and I figured it on out, and I'm using only these gold ones when I do this. It worked out better. I tried it in the pinks, I tried it pink gold, I tried it in the gold, and this was the best way. The numbers I came up with were 6, 18, 30, 43, 55, and then 68. And then you flip it and punch on the 6th for the 7th hole. So this is what worked. So let me put my little, so I have 6, 18, and 30, and I'm gonna punch this through. I'm gonna make sure it lines up with that lip right there and punch those 3 at one time. And then I'm going to shift them to the 43 spot, the 55, and the 68. Now I'm gonna stick this through, lining it all up to that little lip, and we're gonna punch those. And then we're going to just put one more back in on the number 6 spot. And then I'm gonna flip it backwards, and I'm gonna punch that last hole. So this is my planner, guys, and this is the faux cover. I just want to show you and make sure one last time it works. And it does. It fits just perfectly. Perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on my front and back cover with the measurements I told you. And that should be it for this DIY. Here it is, you guys. This is the back cover. It fits just right. Everything is perfect, and we could flip on through to the front cover now, you guys, and here is it. I'm in love with it. Everything worked out just right, and I added some blings in here, and I love the images from these die cuts that Tony Created Chica Halls gifted me, and I put a little pocket on the inside. Those are from that Target dollar spot, with some die cuts and things. And I moved December, so you can see that tab is yellow while all the rest are black. I decided to just put December right in. This was my December layout, and that way I could continue planning. That's the one thing I really love about the Happy Planner, is you could take things out, put things in, add things, and they just go right in. So now that we're into December, it makes sense that I have the next year ahead of me to put in appointments and plans and whatever dates I want to remember. Alright guys, that is it for today. That was how I remade my front and back cover to my Happy Planner, just to switch it on up, have some fun, get crafty, and I want to hear from you guys what you think down below in the comment section about my new cover. So yeah guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.